in the bedroom if you bark. I'm not kidding. Not fun.
Okay, here's Griff with his tennis racket.
Ready?
Here he goes. This is a great shot.
1, 2, 3.
Get it! Okay, really? You just screamed like a girl. What was that?
Hey!
I know, I know.
1.
Okay, here we go. Ready?
2.
Hit it, Griff.
Not your gender specific
Hit it.
stereotyping. Boys can cry. Thank you, Bob. Now you have to edit it out anyway. Oh, that was a nice overhead though. Oh, good job. 1, 2, 3. Oh, didn't go where I wanted it to.
Good job.
Good job.
They can bounce.
1, 2, 3. Oh, you're not prepared. Ready? Nice try. Good job. Back this direction. You can get it back on the rug. Good job. Good job. Ready?
Nice tumble.
Okay, ready? Just have a... Oh, but it was helium, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But still, we could do this with balloons.
Yeah.
Yes, balloons. Balloons are inexpensive. Ready? Ready? Oh my. What color is your balloon? What color is that? Red? Is it red? Your turn. Your turn. Griffin's turn. Griffin's turn. Ready? 1. You gonna stand up? 2. No, 3.
Hit it.
Oh, sorry. I helped it. I didn't get it to you. Okay.
Good throw.
Throw ready? 1. Are you poopy? Do I smell poop when I come in close? 1. 2. 3.
Here goes. Oh, almost. Good shot.
It's mostly just a bad hit on my part.
Try.
Okay. Can you hit it? Oh, that's good. That's good, Griffin. I like how you brought your hand and the balloon to the racket.
Yeah,
Yay!
I'd like to say the coordination, the
Ready?
hand-eye coordination, that he knows what to do with the tennis racket.
Ready?
It's pretty impressive,
1.
people. What is?
Ready? Thank you. What did you
And he
find
picks
on our
up
playing
lint.
surface? Okay.
Okay,
Ready?
playing surface clean.
1, 2, 3.
I think that touched a hand.
2, 3. Yay! 1, 2, 3.
Good job,